Good day everyone. Today we have SM11. It's 2005 KAESER 7.5 kilowatt screw compressor. This compressor is around 22,000 hours on the load, and it's in a great condition. Duty cycle for this compressor is nearly 45.3%. So it's in great condition, as I said, and it's regularly maintained. We'll check out the compressor, check out the rest of the photos, and also we have prepared another test for this compressor connected to 3000 liters KAESER receiver. This is 11 bar version of the compressor, so let's start it and see how it builds pressure. Yeah, it's nearly 23,000 hours on the load. It's already 4 bars in this machine. This one is building pressure very well. Let's see, the pressure in the receiver is 5 bars. There is that connection, and it's already 9 bars. This works pretty good. Yeah. The set point is set now for 9.5 bars, but you can easily move it to 10 if you like, if you have needs for that kind of pressure. Compressor is cooling down now. I will shut it down now manually. That is it. This is a great piece of equipment. Don't miss this item. Thank you and good luck on your bids.